Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we are going to be looking at a business name generator. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So it's pretty much in the name. A business name generator is pretty much a tool that helps you generate creative and unique names for your business or even a startup business. Now these tools use various algorithms and databases to generate a list of potential names based on your input or specific criteria. Now I'm going to go through a couple of key features and benefits of using a business name generator. So we'll use this as an example. This is Namelix. Now this is a business name generator. Of course, there's some of the keywords that you can add in depending on your business. Of course, you could be a bakery, you could be a clothing store business, you could be a car business, where you run a car dealership, things like that. Whatever you think would be the highlight for your keywords, that's where you would go ahead and enter it. Now it's suggesting I put down cookies, but that would be for a bakery then. But before we take a look into the business name generators, why exactly should we use it? So first of all, it gives you a creative name idea. Business name generator provides you with a wide range of creative and original names that you might have not thought of. Of course, it takes your input, which is what we're looking at now, keywords, the industry that you're working for, or the industry that you would like to provide as a service, any specific attributes as well, and that's when it'll combine those keywords or variations to inspire your naming process. As well as this, you're saving time. Now time is key to everything, so coming up with a catchy and memorable business name can be not only challenging but also a time-consuming task. So that's why you should use a name generator as well. It can save you significant amount of time and effort by generating numerous name options in a matter of seconds or even minutes. As well as this, you've got the inspiration and exploration. So business name generators can spark creativity and help you explore different naming possibilities. They offer a diverse range of names, including variations, synonyms, and related terms, which can inspire new ideas or help you think outside of the box. As well as this, gives you using a business name generator can also help you with the domain name availability. Now, let's just say you created a website, be it a website from scratch or even using a website builder. So you've went ahead and created that business. You've thought of a name. Now, the problem is when it comes to the domain. Now, if you're a startup business, you're thinking, oh, this is a creative name. Then when it comes to that domain name, usually some of the associated names have already been taken. So using a website generator or a business name generator can help ensure that you're using a name that's available for a domain. There's no point choosing one that's similar to another one. So just say that your name was bakery, like a bakery name. Let's just say it was called Cookies and Cream. And there was another business called Cookies and Cream from another country. However, they've purchased the domain. What are you going to do now? So that's why the business name generator is a crucial step as well. It's more of prepping your website just to ensure that no one's taken that particular name. That's why you need to use keywords. You need to use something unique, something that you've never heard of. That's why you've got these business name generators to generate a name for your website or business. Now, another one is branding considerations. A good business name generator takes into account for the branding considerations such as personality, of course your target audience, and industry relevance. Now, it provides name suggestions that align with your brand's identity and values, making it easier to create a cohesive brand image. As well as that, you want to take into consideration for the customization options. Now, some business name generators allow you to customize the generated names by specifying certain criteria or preferences. You can set the desired length and add specific keywords or choose naming styles to tailor the generated names to your liking. Now, you've got collaboration and feedback as well. So some name generators offer collaboration features that allow you to share a generated name list with colleagues or friends. It's a great way as well to get everyone linked into a team to choose a name, especially if you're a startup business again. Now, this will spark up a debate, of course, and as well as that, it enables you to gather feedback and opinions, facilitating the decision-making process. Now, lastly, to take into account as well is the language and industry. So, if you choose a specific name, you got to make sure that it is not offensive in any shape or form. Of course, there may be some keywords that doesn't translate too well within another language, especially if you're going to go international. You got to make sure that your keywords are nice and direct, not too much with offensive. So make sure you choose a good name and something that isn't too offensive as well. As well as this, you're picking out a particular market for it. So if you choose a specific name, so if there's one like auto parts, then that means you're specifying that to a singular group with auto parts. So you're attracting that audience. Or if it's something to do with, say, something trending with clothing. If you have something like clothing business within the name, then you're obviously specifying that towards the clothing business. So just be sure that you check over that, the language and industry, just to make sure that you're using the correct terms and names for your business. So going back to our business name generator, Namelix. So I've actually pointed out some keywords there like IT, business, digital marketing, and Belfast. Let's just pop another one in there. Let's just say Northern Ireland, just so we're really specifying that we're within this region. Select generate. Now it'll ask you whether you want to do all the styles. You want to do it like Google and Rolex, Toyota and Audi, so non-English words, real words, short phrases, 2 words, compound words, and alternate spelling. There's one like Lyft and Fiverr. Sure you guys know those 2 brands. I'm just going to go ahead and select the auto. So that's a new one apparently. So I'll just go ahead and select next. Now it'll say select generation, randomness, so like low, less random. You've got medium, balanced, and then random ideas. Let's just fire away and select the high. And then some brand information. So add any keywords that may be related to your idea or business. Of course, we're IT, we're business, digital marketing, we're based in Belfast, and we're based in Northern Ireland. Of course, you can add a business description if you want to, so that'll help get that brand name out there. We'll go ahead and select generate. So it has a little loading there, and as you can see, quite a couple of different names. So Iron Dreamers, Amplify 24, you've got Website Wiz, Tangible Tactics. So there's quite a various amount of different titles to go for. You could register that domain. As you can see, there's quite let's just see BridgeNet. Let's have a look at that. So as you can see, it gives you an idea that this one's taken. So if I were to create a business, got to make sure that I don't use this domain name. There are other variations as well. So let's see, Dublino. So there's Dublino Irish, and there's a Dublino.com. So I could take a couple of those. So that's not based in Northern Ireland, but based in Ireland. So if I, of course, my business was in Dublin. Let's just say it's Dublino. It could be any sort of business. I could make that into a cafe. I could turn that into a clothing business. I could turn that into a bakery. There's a lot of things that this more relates to, or that could be like a tour guide thing. So As you can see, it's £4.78 per year. This one is at 6,381, but you can choose other domain names. Well, you could buy them from other places like GoDaddy or Wix or any other ones out there that offers domains. You don't have to buy it from Namecheap. Let's just look at another one. So there's ReachNet. I'm guessing that it would have been taken. Yep, there it is. It's taken. Let's see, Vernon. Maybe that's not taken. It's a very unique one. Okay, so it has been taken. So it's shopping out for the right business name before you get started with the business. I would say that this is a key part to your business. You don't want to go out and creating a website, making it look really nice, and it comes to it that you don't even have a name that suits the business. That will be your downfall. So that pretty much reaches the end of the video. We've taken a look at the name generators. There are other ones out there as well, but would recommend to use Namelix as well. Since everything's here, it shows you more information about this domain, checks the availability. You can register domains as well, and directs you to Namecheap here. Of course, you can use it for any other ones like GoDaddy as well. But yes, as I said, this reaches the end of the video. If you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, or if you need any help, just leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you want to find out more information about building a website or possibly building one, why not get in contact with our team at www.profiletree.com. I'm sure we can help you out and assist you. But yes, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.